Welcome to the Mesa County GIS Viewer. This powerful online tool lets you explore a wealth of Mesa County's geographic information right in your browser. Find property details, flood zones, trails, and even aerial photos. It's all here. Let's take a look. When you first open the viewer, you'll see the Mesa County map. You can easily navigate the map using your mouse. To zoom in closer or further out, use the plus and minus buttons located at the top of the map, or simply use the wheel on your mouse to zoom. To move the map around, click anywhere and drag your mouse. To find a specific spot, the search bar at the top of the map is the quickest way. You can search using an address, assessor account number, a parcel number, subdivision name, intersection, township and range, or place name. Just type what you're looking for and then press the Enter key. Click the magnifying glass or select the result from the drop-down, and the map will zoom right to it. The real power of this viewer is in its layers. Think of these as see-through sheets of information on top of the map. To see what's available, find the Layers icon at the top of your screen. Clicking the Layers icon opens a panel with different groups of information, like parcels, schools, trails, or special districts. To see what's in a group, click the small arrow next to it, or just click on the name of the group itself. To make information show up on the map, just check the box next to its name. To hide it, uncheck the box. Layers are grouped, so make sure the main category box is checked to see the individual layers underneath. Sometimes a layer might be grayed out and you won't see anything at first. This means you need to zoom in closer on the map for those details to appear. This happens with layers that have a lot of information, so they only show up when you're zoomed in close enough. If you want details about something you see on the map, just click on it. A parcel, a trail, a flood zone, anything. If there's more information available, a pop-up will appear showing you the details or attributes connected to that feature. If there are several layers stacked on top of each other where you clicked, the pop-up will allow you to scroll through them. Click the scroll arrows to see the information for each of those features. You can also dock the pop-up window to the upper corner of the map if they're in your way while you're moving around. Sometimes these pop-ups will have links to even more detailed information. Clicking these links will open a new page or window separate from the map itself. If you right-click anywhere on the map, a context menu will appear. If you click on a road, you can open Google Street View. This menu also lets you see the exact coordinates of the point you clicked. These include latitude and longitude, UTM coordinates, and even township, range, and section information. You can change the look of the background map, or base map, by clicking the base map icon in the toolbar. You'll see a list of different base maps, including the default one, a topographic map that shows elevation, and aerial photos from different years. The county has aerial photos going all the way back to 1937. Keep in mind that not every aerial photo base map covers the entire county. The 2019 image is the most recent one that shows the entire county. Clicking the legend icon opens the map legend. This helps you understand what all the different colors and symbols on the map mean. The legend will update as you turn layers on and off or zoom in to see more specific features. Need to know how long something is or how big an area is? Let's use the Measure tool. You'll find options for both. To measure an area, you have a few choices. The multi-point polygon tool lets you click once for each corner of the area you want to measure, drawing it step by step. Double-click on your last point to finish the shape and see the area. With the freehand polygon tool, click and hold your mouse button while you drag and draw the shape of the area. Let go of the button when you're done. For the rectangle, just click once for the first corner, then drag your mouse to make it the size you need, and click again for the opposite corner. Measuring distances is just as easy. For the multi-point line, click once for each point along the line you want to measure. Double-click to finish the line and see the total distance. For the freehand line, click and hold your mouse button while you drag to draw the line. Release the button when you're finished. And finally, to just place a point on the map, click the Point tool and click once on the exact spot that you want. The Unit of Measure box lets you choose from available units. You can clear any measurements or shapes you've drawn by clicking the Clear All button. If you just want to draw on the screen without measuring anything, uncheck the Enable Measurement box at the top of the tool. Let's explore the Query tool, which lets you pull specific information from the map based on where things are or what their details are. The easiest way to query is by location. Click one of the drawing tools and draw a shape right on the map. Since we're looking at property lines, any property that your shape touches will be highlighted in the results. Once you've drawn your shape, the Query Results tab will pop open. Click on any item in the list to zoom to it and see more details. You can also export this list as a file that you can open in a spreadsheet by clicking Download CSV. To add a buffer around your location query, type in a buffer distance and pick your unit of measurement. Now when you draw a shape, the tool will also select anything within that distance of what you drew. To search based on specific details, click the Query with Attributes dropdown to open the search builder. First, pick a field you want to search in, then choose an operator, such as like or equals, from the list of SQL operators, and then type in the value you're looking for. For example, let's find all places with Orion in their name. We'll pick location as the field, like as the operator, and type Orion in place of the word value. Click Query Attributes to run your search. You'll see two search areas that match: Orion Court in Clifton and Orion Way in Grand Junction. You can also make your search even more specific by using both location and attribute queries together. First, open the Query with Attributes dropdown and build your detailed search. Then, choose a drawing tool and draw a shape on the map around the area you're interested in. The results will only show features that match both your attribute criteria and your drawn location. The Bookmark widget offers a simple and fast way to zoom the map to predefined areas within Mesa County. Simply click on any of the listed cities, towns, or areas like Grand Junction, Fruita, or Palisade, and the map will instantly zoom to that location. You can then continue exploring the map. If you want to export the map to a PDF or image file, open the Print widget. You can choose to export the map with a layout surrounding the map complete with a title, scale bar, and disclaimer. You can also choose the Map Only tab, which will only export the on-screen map extent itself. Under the Layout tab, you'll be able to set a title, choose your output size, and select a file format. The Advanced Options section gives the ability to set your map scale, add an author and copyright statement, and set your DPI. Once you have defined all of your map elements, click the blue Export button. When your map is done processing, it will show up by title under the Exported Files heading at the bottom of the widget. Click on the name of your file, and it will open another tab. You can then use your browser's print function to send it to a local printer. You can also choose to download the file. If you're having any issues with the GIS web viewer or need more information, click the Help icon. Here you'll find the phone number and email address for the help desk where you can leave us a message or ask a question. There are also several helpful links, including a dedicated site for downloadable GIS data, offering access to various data sets for your own analysis, and the main Mesa County GIS homepage where you can find out more information about our department and services. That's a quick overview of the Mesa County GIS viewer. We encourage you to visit emap.mesacounty.us/viewer and start exploring the wealth of information available.